Okay, folks. Chapter 11, Part A, review. Find the number 1/3 of the way from 1/6 to 4/5. Okay? Now, that means that 1/6 is down here, 4/5 is up here. We want the number that's 1/3 of the way, this one right here, between those two numbers. So, I'm going to subtract 4/5 minus 1/6 to give me the distance between the two numbers. All right, I need a common denominator. That's going to be 30. All right, 5 times 6, so 4 times 6. 6 times 5, so 1 times 5. 24 over 30 minus 5 over 30 is 19 over 30. Now that's the distance between here and here. 1930. So I'm sorry, Grace.
On the 4/5 minus 1/6, does it matter which way?
Well, it does in the sense that distance is going to always be positive. I mean, if you subtracted 4/5 from 1/6, you'd get negative 19/30ths. But you need to know that it's not negative. The distance between these two things is positive. Okay? Now, that's what the whole distance is. 1/3 of the distance is 19/30ths times 1/3. Okay, well that's just going to give me 19/90ths. Okay? So that's the distance from here to here. But what's this number? Well, I just add 19/90ths to 1/6. Okay? Let's see. 1/6 plus 19/90ths. I got to have a common denominator. Okay? The common denominator is 90. 6 times what? 15? Good. All right. 15/90ths plus 19/90ths is going to be 34/90ths. But I need to reduce that. 2 goes into both of them. That's 17/45. Okay. That's the number that's 1/3 of the way between the two numbers. Ellie.
Wait, isn't there a formula like A plus 1/3 times B minus A? I thought
Well, there probably is. If I said, I mean, I could come up with a formula. I could let this be A and this be B, right?
Yeah.
So I could do B minus A, that gives me the distance, right?
Yeah.
Times 1/3, right? That gives me 1/3 of that distance.
Yeah.
Plus the first number, A. How does that work for you?
That's right.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
I don't know if they gave you that formula in the book or not, and that does work. What if they said, we want something 3/4 of the distance? Then this would be 3/4 instead of 1/3.
C outside so that it could be whatever distance you want.
Okay. All right. Okay, good job. Let's look at the next one.